What is up, everybody? We are going to be making some slime. So first, we're going to be using a bowl so we can mix our stuff. Then we have a stir. Then we have our shaving cream, borax, glitter, blue food coloring, well, gel, and a whole jug of Elmer's glue and borax solution, which is that you are going to need to make with borax, which would be right here, plus water. Alrighty, let's get into this. First, we're gonna use our Elmer's glue. Then we're going to put in our shaving cream. Then we're going to just stir it up until it looks good. Alrighty, now we are going to put our food coloring in, well, gel, food coloring gel. I'm just gonna pour a lot of it in. Then, or if you want to put in glitter, you could just put in glitter too. Or I'm just gonna do that last.
But if you put in lots of it, it'll turn into a dark blue. If you want dark blue.
But now, if you want glitter in it, you can just put it in there. Too much glitter. But nothing is too much without glitter. Alrighty, now we are going to put in our borax solution. A Speedy Gonzales. And then just mix it up again. Or if you want to. Alrighty, and if it looks firm, you could just put it in your hands. Stew. Alrighty, it looks firm to me, so I'm just gonna take it out. So you can just add texture to it or something. Well, I just like fluffy slime better. Or you could just do anything, like put glitter in it, food coloring, or just make regular slime. But this slime is better than regular.